today we're going to be playing Squarebird. So let's get started. So I'm like a ghost bird right now. I'm gonna hurry and change it. I'll be the Batman one. But basically what you do in this game, oh crap, you try and avoid like stuff, and whenever you click, you like stack more blocks. I think it's really fun, except I'm not that freaking good at the game. So maybe when I get better, it'd be a lot more fun. And there's eagles, and there's snakes. Goodness, I could have died there. Woo! Gosh, I almost just died at the beginning. Let's try this again. Let's try and let's try and actually do it this time instead of failing. Okay. Oh yeah, and if you get like on the grass 3 times in a row, then you get like guns and everything. So, oh no! Why me? Just get up really high, but if you get up too high and you don't see it coming, you'll die, which sucks. Because I want to beat the game, not die. Holy crap. Okay. There we go. There's that. There's that. All of that. Okay. Whew, scary. Oh my gosh. Try not to get the top. I freaking did it. Oh gosh. I literally died at the beginning. Jeez, that's how much I suck at the game. Literally like 2 seconds in, I die. Oh, okay. Okay, get up higher. Okay, let's try and actually get over this level, because I'm on level like 36. I want to try and get to level 37. I don't think that's gonna be possible. I'll try. It's probably not gonna be possible because I freaking suck at this game, and I almost just died again. Okay, right there. Skip that. Get over this. Get over this. Oh, I almost just died there. Except when you can shoot, you can't go that high. It just starts falling. See how it's not that balanced? It's not that balanced. Holy crap. Yeah, let's go! Okay, so the top prize is like the armor, the knight. Oh yeah, let's get up here. Okay. Whoo. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Come on, let's go. No. Why me? Come on. Yes. Okay, yes. Oh yeah. Okay, I just saw this. I have $2,000, and you can change the grass. Oh whoa. This is like, I thought this was like a donut one or something. Like, because I saw like the top. I didn't see the bottom. I didn't see all the pink and everything. I just saw it looked like a donut, so I was like, I'm gonna do it. That was kind of like a waste of $1,000 on this game. Okay, this is actually a really hard level. Okay. Oh crap. Oh, that was close. I just noticed, when I got the shoot thing, so I don't know what's happening there. But yeah. Holy crap. I'm getting so close to death every single time I play this. I almost died there. I almost died there. Yes, I almost did. Whew, if you went too high on that one, you got hit by spikes. Yes! Okay, let's do last level. See how good I am at this game? I'm just the greatest ever at the game. Woo, let's keep going. Woo, yeah. I bet I can do it this time. Never mind. Okay, really? Oh, see, I almost died again. Holy crap. See, and then it at least warns you that that's coming. And then there's spikes at the top. And then I almost died there. Get up here. Keep going higher and higher. Okay, stay. Okay. Go up one more. Okay. Oh, crap. Yes. Oh, yes. 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 I don't know why I'm so excited over this. But that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.